Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you can be notified on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about rational numbers. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Do you eat cucumber? Cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients, such as antioxidants that help treat and even prevent some conditions. It is low in calories and contains a good amount of water and soluble fibers that are ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. But when is the best time to eat cucumber? Do you know that lots of it is sure to make you feel full and bloated? It will interrupt your sleep. This is because you are taking in more water and are bound to fill up the bladder and urinate more during your sleep. Cucumber contains 96% of water, so better don't take it during nighttime. Cucumber will be beneficial to us if we are going to take it during daytime. Then let us avoid them during nighttime or dinner, so that it will not disrupt our sleep. The objective of our lesson is to write fractions as decimals and write decimals as fractions. What is rational number? It is a number that can be written as the ratio of two integers in which the denominator is not 0. For example, x over y, where x and y are integers and y is not equal to 0. We have two types of real numbers, the rational and irrational. Let us discuss first the rational numbers. These are the integers, whole numbers, and terminating decimals. For example, -4, -9/2, which is -4.5, whole numbers, which is 0, 3, 2, 7, and others. You can see the examples of terminating decimals. It terminates like 7/8, 1/4, and square root of 16/4. You can use your calculator so that you can see that it terminates. While irrational numbers, these are non-terminating decimals. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write the fraction as decimal, 4/10. You can simply use your calculator to calculate the decimal of 4/10. But in case you do not have your calculator, let us use it the long way. The numerator is the dividend and the denominator is the divisor. How many 10 are there in 4? So, there's none. We're going to put 0 on top of 4. Let us add 0 on the dividend and place a decimal point on the quotient after 0. So, there are 4 tens in 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. Therefore, the decimal of 4/10 is 0.4. Let us work on this example so that you can write the mixed number 3 and 2/9 as a decimal. Let us convert the mixed number into improper fraction first. We are going to multiply the denominator into the whole number and add the numerator to the product of the denominator and the whole number. So, it will give us 9 times 3 plus 2 is 29. Therefore, the improper fraction of the mixed number is 29/9. You can easily solve this problem using your calculator. But let me show you how to do it in the long way. How many 9 in 29? There are 3. So, 3 times 9 is 27. 29 minus 27 is 2. We are going to add 0 on 2 to make it 20 and place a decimal point after 3 on the quotient. So, how many 9 in 20? There's 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. We're going to add 0 again on 2 the quotient will repeat itself. It will be 0.222. So, I place a bar on top of 2. The quotient is 3.2, non-terminating. So, the mixed number 3 and 2 over 9 as a decimal is 3.222. There will be a bar on top of 2. So, the decimal of the mixed number 3 and 2 over 9 is equal to 3.2, where 2 is repeating. So, we're going to put a bar on top of number 2. Remember, a bar on top of a number means the number repeats. Let's work on this. Sarah can eat 3 cucumber out of 25 pieces in the basket. Find the fraction of the cucumber she ate out of the basket. So, we're just going to put 3 over 25, which is equal to 0.12. Now, let us do the reverse. We're going to write the decimal as a fraction. 0.32 as a fraction is 32 over 100. To convert 32 over 100 into simplest form, we're going to look for the common factor of 32 and 100, which is 4. So, 32 over 100 divided by 4 over 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. Therefore, 0.32 as a fraction in simplest form is 8 over 25. What about this example? Write 0.6 with a bar as a fraction in simplest form. Remember, when there is a bar on top of a number, that means the number repeats. So the number is 0.666 and so on. I want you to listen very well. If the number is on the 10th place, you are going to divide it by 10, so you can convert it to fraction. But if it is on the 10th place and it has a bar on top of it, you're not going to divide it by 10, but instead divide it by 9. So, we can come up with 6 over 9. Look for the common factor of 6 and 9, which is 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, 0.6 with a bar as a fraction in simplest form is 2 over 3. What about this one? Write 4.3 with a bar as a mixed number in simplest form. As I told you, if the decimal number with the bar is on the 10th place, divide it by 9. So, the mixed number in simplest form is 4 and 3 over 9. But 3 over 9 have common factors. The common factor is 3, so we're going to divide the number by 3 over 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. The simplest form of the mixed number is 4 and 1/3. Let's work on this example. Write 2.72 with a bar as a mixed number in simplest form. If the number is on the hundredths place, to convert it into fraction, you're going to divide it by 100. But if it is on the hundredths place and it has a bar on top, you're not going to divide it by 100, but instead, divide it by 99. So we can come up with 2 and 72 over 99. To convert it in the simplest form, we're going to look for the common factor of 72 and 99. And in this case, the common factor is 9. 72 divided by 9 is 8. And 99 divided by 9 is 11. So, 2.72 with the bar as a mixed number in simplest form is 2 and 8 over 11. To wrap it up, to convert the fraction as a decimal, we can use right away the calculator or the long method division. If we are given a mixed number and there is a bar on the 10th place, divide that number by 9. Okay, remember that. divide it by 9. Then, if there are common factors on the numerator and denominator, divide it by the common factor so that it will give you the simplest form. If we are given a number with a bar on the hundreds place, we're going to divide that number by 99. Remember, if the bar is on the hundreds place, divide that number by 99. Then, if there are common factors on the numerator and denominator, divide it by the common factor to solve for the simplest form. Okay? Let us continue our discussion regarding cucumber. Do you know that it contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K? These 3 nutrients are vital for the proper functioning of the cardiovascular system. I want you to remember this. Taking magnesium and potassium can lower down blood pressure. A regular intake of cucumber has been found to decrease bad cholesterol and blood sugar level as well. I will always remind you guys what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. So, what are you going to do? If you find confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again. Watch it step by step, slowly and carefully. And I know you can get it. Remember guys, life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you guys to score high in math. Be wise and healthy and always be safe. Okay guys? Till next lesson. Bye-bye!